Every parent knows this moment. We hand our child a learning app and within a minute they change to a games or YouTube. Why this happen? Because traditional learning apps are mostly based on the passive education and the passive education is mostly based on the rote memorization. That is, the video are just to watch, not for the experience purpose. 98.3% of parents said that their children switch from learning app to entertainment app almost instantly.
एका ठिकाणी बसून पुस्तक द्याल, हातात वही द्याल, रायटिंग वर्क द्याल, तर ह्या एज ग्रुपमधले मुलं ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींसाठी तेवढे तयार नसतात. त्यामुळे तुम्ही त्यांच्याकडनं जर प्रॅक्टिकली काही करून घेतलं, खेळाच्या माध्यमातून काही करून घेतलं, तर डेफिनेटली ते जास्ती तुम्हाला रिस्पॉन्स करतील आणि
This is where Brainberry comes in. Brainberry is a voice-driven, unified learning ecosystem that is built around three connected interfaces. A child learning platform, a colorful, voice driven world where a child just pick the answers, no resistance and no typing, just picking of the answer. A parental dashboard where a parent can see what the child is seeing in real time. It's not just an app, it's a system where child learn by doing and parents stay fully in control.
Brainberry brings together four core features that set it apart. First, voice first interaction. The app asks a question out loud, like, "What color is the sky?" And the child simply answers by speaking. No typing, no friction, just conversation. Second, real time remote parental control. Using our patient pending remote linking protocol, parents can generate a session code, connect instantly, and toggle lessons on or off, or freeze the screen the moment screen time is up. Third, gamification that actually teaches. Points, badges, levels, and characters turn learning into a game the child wants to play. Covering phonics, vocabulary, Hindi Swarvyanjan, colors, shapes, memory challenges, and real world civic skills. Fourth, offline first architecture. Brainberry works even without a stable internet connection, syncing automatically when the child comes back online, making it accessible even in low connectivity areas. Together, these features turn passive screen time into active, practical learning guided by parents, loved by children.
I will briefly explain the technical architect of Brainberry by following the complete journey of a user through our system. First, user. The architect starts with our users. We have two main users: children aged 3 to 6 years who interact with Brainberry through voice based lessons and activities; parent or guardian who monitor progress, manage lessons, and control the child's learning experience. Second, client application. This user access Brainberry through our web app, mobile app, or parent dashboard. Whenever a child starts a lesson or parent changes a setting, the request is securely sent to a cloud backend. Third, backend services. The request first reaches the API gateway, which authenticates the user and routes the request to appropriate backend services. A backend then manages user and child profiles, educational content and lesson, learning progress and analytics, gamification through points and badges, parent control, voice processing, notification, and media storage. All users' data and learning progress are securely stored in cloud database while frequently used data is cached for faster performance. Fourth, AI and external integration. Brainberry then uses AI models to personalize the learning experience. We integrate speech to text to understand children's voice and text to speech to provide natural voice responses, and AI services that recommend lesson based on child's each learning progress. We also use email notification and analytics services to improve reliability and user engagement. Fifth, data flow. The complete workflow is simple. The child interacts with the application using voice or touch. The request is processed by the backend, analyzed by our AI models, and converted into personalized educational content. The response is delivered back to the child while learning progress is automatically saved and parents receive real time updates through their dashboard. Sixth, AWS infrastructure. Finally, the entire platform is deployed on AWS cloud. We use Amazon EC2 for hosting, Amazon S3 for media storage, Amazon RDS for data backup, CloudFront for faster content delivery, and CloudWatch for monitoring, while IAM, Route 53, and SSL certificates ensure security and scalability. In the end, Brainberry combines voice interaction, AI powered personalization, cloud computing, gamification, and real time parental control in one intelligent learning ecosystem, delivering a secure, engaging, and personalized learning experience for every child. Here you can see a login page where you need to select an avatar first before proceeding. Here we ask a simple details regarding you, your gender, your age, your grade. Let us continue. Here you need to fill in your details, your email ID, and need to set a password. Now your account has been created. Here you can see this is our user interface of our landing page. Here you can see different types of module. Let us check out module. Here you can see colors.
Red.
Here you heard the word red said by a child, and you can also speak here. Now let us check another module. Mixing. Here you mix the color and check the output, like red plus white gives you pink. Let us check another. Hindi, Swar and Vyanjan. So now let us check challenges. Here you unlock each challenges after completing a certain lessons given for the challenges. Here I say dash dash when I hurt someone. You say sorry, so you say sorry. Now it's been corrected. And we have also added games. Now let us check out games section. Here you can see we have currently given 4 games. Each game is used to increase the kids' memory thinking power. Here you can see Fox and Castle, River Crossing, Tetris, and Simon Says. Each game has been designed to increase the memory thinking of the child. Now here you can see a lesson page where you can directly go to each lesson, like magic of words, numbers, golden words, civic sense, Hindi, animals, and story time. In story time, we have given 2 stories, a clever crow and lion and the mouse. Now let us check a parent's dashboard. This is a unique feature. Here you can set a time limit for the kids screen time, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and no limit. In further scenarios, we will also going to add a customization time limit. Here you can check the progress of the kid, like how many correct answer, wrong answer, accuracy, lessons completed. This is our plan, and you can also select what lessons he should study today, tomorrow, or anytime. This is a connection code to connect to your phone. This is basically used for remote linking through your phone. Let us check parents app. Here you can see a parent app. If you scan this QR code, you will be taken to a different page where you can download the parent app. And on that parent app, you just have to copy paste this code, and you will be linked with your child's dashboard. From there, you can customize the screen time, check, track the lessons he have completed, or change anything. You can remotely access it through any part of the world, city,